Ever wonder what makes Louis Vuitton such a coveted brand worldwide? It's the mesmerizing blend of luxury, craftsmanship, and quality. From iconic collections to unparalleled artistry, Louis Vuitton is a beacon of timeless elegance. Dive in with us as we unravel the magic of Louis Vuitton. Craftsmanship is not just a word for Louis Vuitton, it's a tradition. With a legacy that spans over a century, the brand's commitment to excellence is deeply ingrained in the very fabric of its existence. The journey of a Louis Vuitton piece is a labor of love, born from the hands of skilled artisans. Imagine leather, rich and supple, carefully hand-stitched with precision. Picture intricate embroidery, each thread woven with an artist's touch. This meticulous process ensures not only the highest standards of quality and durability, but also a distinctive aesthetic that is unmistakably Louis Vuitton. It's a process that respects tradition while embracing innovation, a process that transforms raw materials into works of art. It's a testament to the unwavering dedication to excellence that is the hallmark of Louis Vuitton. Each stitch, each fold, each detail tells a story of dedication and excellence. From the iconic Speedy bag to the elegant capucines, each collection is a testament to Louis Vuitton's legacy. The timeless classics of Louis Vuitton resonate with a sense of history and charm that is unparalleled. Each piece, from the monogrammed canvas to the luxurious leather goods, carries within it the spirit of meticulous craftsmanship and the love for detail. But it's not all about the classics. Louis Vuitton is also a beacon of modernity, continuously innovating and redefining the boundaries of style. The brand's modern collections are a testament to its commitment to stay ahead of the curve, offering designs that are both contemporary and timeless. From the grandeur of the Neverfull tote, a symbol of everyday elegance, to the bold sophistication of the twist bag, Louis Vuitton's collections cater to diverse tastes and occasions. So whether you're a classic enthusiast or a modern maverick, there's a Louis Vuitton waiting for you. Louis Vuitton isn't just a brand, it's a heritage. This illustrious tale began in 1854, when Louis Vuitton himself opened his first workshop in Paris, specializing in luxury trunks and travel accessories. Over the many years, this humble beginning has blossomed into a global emblem of elegance and refinement. Today, Louis Vuitton stands as a symbol of prestige, its name whispered in hushed tones in the hallowed halls of fashion. The brand's indomitable spirit of innovation and creativity continues to shape the world of luxury, leaving an indelible mark on the sands of time. Louis Vuitton continues to inspire with a legacy that transcends time.